Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this phone. So let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the quick access panel and let's take a closer look at all the items. So for example, if you are using mobile data right now but not using Wi-Fi, just disable the Wi-Fi. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now, if you are not using mobile data right now but not using Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile data. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable it, and with location the same situation. So just disable location if you are not using maps right now or any other application that you're using for GPS services. If you are not using Nearby Share, just disable it, because all of these services are constantly searching for their networks. Wi-Fi for Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth for nearby devices, location services for GPS signal, satellite signal, mobile data for 5G, for 4G, LTE, 3G. So you need to know. Don't waste your battery. Okay, don't waste your battery power. You need to keep it in mind. So great, when you have disabled all your unused services, you can open settings now. Now open settings, scroll down, find display here, scroll down again, and here we have motion smoothness. So open this item and change it to standard. In this way your screen smoothness will be reduced. You will use only 60 Hz of screen refresh rate, but in this way your screen will reduce less battery power. Then enable dark mode. In this mode your device will consume less battery power because your device has super dynamic AMOLED screen. What it means? It means that your screen is not LCD screen. Your screen created from thousands of small LEDs, and it means that in black places these LEDs are completely disabled and not wasting your battery power. So in this way only light places will waste your battery power, and if you are using dark mode, your applications will be dark. Dark mode will be enabled in all your applications by default, and in this way you will save your battery power. Then if you are using extra brightness, you need to disable it. So disable it, then reduce your screen brightness too. Scroll down, go to my menu, scroll down, find here battery and device care, find battery here, scroll down, firstly choose more battery settings, performance profile, and choose light. Prioritize battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. So enable light mode. And if you need more battery power, if you need to, your device will live longer, of course you can enable power saving mode. In this mode your RAM will be cut, so in this way your applications in this mode applications can't work for a long time in the RAM, and in this way it will reduce your power consumption. Then you can open power saving mode, disable it, and choose limit app and home screen. Then now enable power saving mode, and you will open the ultra power saving mode. In this mode your device will live longer too long as it possible. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.